everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can run a code on GitHub. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial, so without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you're going to head over to the repository of your choice that you want to run a code from. Now from here, you're just going to click on the period button on your keyboard. So just click on period and it will take you to the dev um, branch of GitHub. And now from here, you will be able to access all the codes inside this repository. And if your repository that you open or that you run a code from is yours, you can make an edit to all of these code. But if it isn't yours and you're just, using a or like accessing a repository that was made by another person, then then you are only allowed um to open it and to view it. And that's it. That is how you can run a code on GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.